A lot of people dismiss evolution because they say, humans didn't come from apes, apes still exist. But that's not how evolution works. Humans didn't come from the apes you see today. We share a common ancestor with them, like cousins. You don't come from your cousin, you both come from the same grandparents. Same with us and apes. Now let's connect that to something funny. Conservatives complaining about soy boys. Here's the irony. Conservatives are actually responsible for the soy boys they mock. Why? Because of Christianity. About 2,000 years ago, Christianity forced monogamy on most societies. Before that, many cultures were polygynous. One alpha male had several wives or concubines. That meant only about 2 out of 5 men got to reproduce. The rest? No kids, no genes passed on. That kept reproduction heavily tilted toward the strongest and most dominant males. But monogamy changed all of that. Suddenly, almost every man, even the so-called beta males, got a wife and kids, and their traits got passed down too. Which means a lot of the softer men conservatives complain about today actually exist because of Christianity's rules. That's evolution in action. In summary, anthropologists and geneticists have found that before widespread monogamy, male reproductive success was very skewed. Lots of men left no descendants, while a small percentage had many. Monogamy flattened that out, and yes, that meant more average or less dominant men reproduced. That's a real evolutionary shift. Change the culture, and you change the gene pool. So if conservatives really want to bring back the age of alpha males, they'd have to go all the way back and abolish monogamy. Otherwise, they're just mocking the very results of the system they defend. So basically, evolution isn't really about the survival of the fittest, but about the survival of those who adapt. And in the Christian era, that meant men who accepted monogamy. The alpha males lost their monopoly, and suddenly even the so-called beta males got to reproduce. So the very system conservatives defend is the one that spread the genes of the men they now mock. That's not a glitch in the system. That's evolution.